Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the ZT Max 20 smartwatch. On our previous videos, we showed you the process or the guide on how to pair it with your Android smartphone. On this video, we are going to pair it with our iPhone. So we have here our iPhone. So we'll pair it with the support app, ZT Fit application. So we have the QR code here. We can also search it on the App Store. So if you are interested to see the process on how to set up your ZT Max 20 smartwatch with your iPhone, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and set up our ZT Max 20 with our iPhone. We already know the name of the app, ZT Fit app. But if you want to scan the QR code, you can scan it here. Or the user manual, it's also available here in the smartwatch. So we have the QR code here. In our case, we'll just search it in the App Store. Just type ZT Fit. And we have here the application. So the same logo as you can see here, ZT Fit. Tap on to download and it will be automatically installed in your smartphone. So let's wait for it. I think it is just a lightweight app, 164 MB only. Okay, so as you can see here, it's already installed. And now let's open the application. So we have a permission here. We'll just allow it once. Then it is asking to activate your Bluetooth connectivity. Tap on OK. So we will not allow this. Ask app not to track. Okay, allow. We will record our sleep, steps, and walking plus running distance. Then allow. So we have here a form. So you have to register. You can use your Apple ID or your email. In our case, this is just a demo. We will skip. And we have here the dashboard of ZT Fit. To pair your smartwatch or to set up your smartwatch, tap on equipment and we have here the binding. So tap on binding and we have here the smartwatch. Is it our Ultra 2? Let's check. Go to the about section or more section. So we have the Ultra 2, the same address, 5094, 185094. Yes, it's the same address. Select and Bluetooth pairing request. Okay, wait for it. It is establishing connection and we are connected. Allow iPhone notification. Allow it. Are we connected? Let's see. Bind or find again, and we have it here. So we are connected to our ZT Max 20 smartwatch. So let's have the setup here. So vibrate settings. So what do we have here? Lift wrist to bright screen. So we will activate it. Okay. So let's touch the time. We have dial settings. We have message push notifications. Let's activate some of the apps here. Instagram, WhatsApp, Okay. So the following applications are not supported. I guess that's it. Okay. Then we also have here the dial settings. You can apply your own watch face on the smartwatch. So just tap on install to activate the watch face. For example, tap on install and it will prompt message. Just follow and it will load the watch face on your smartwatch, as you can see here. So we have a progress bar. Okay, so that's it for our setup of the ZT Max 20 smartwatch with our iPhone. So very easy to follow, very easy to pair your smartwatch with your iPhone. If you have any questions regarding the setup, drop a comment below, and of course, like, share, and subscribe if you find this video useful. Bye.